Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping materials and making the first cuts. Measure your monitor footprint and add 20-30 mm clearance so cables and stands fit. Choose 18-24 mm plywood or MDF for a rigid base. That prevents wobble. Once cut, sand edges and mark center lines for the column. Drill pilot holes to avoid splitting when you fasten later. Make sure parts are labeled so you assemble in order. This early precision saves time and keeps the stand level when you load it with the monitor. Once done with plates, build the column that carries the weight. You can use a solid block, square box section, or metal pipe about 50-100 mm across. Pick what resists bending. Glue and screw joints. If the column is taller than 300 mm, add an internal brace to prevent flex. Install a threaded insert or bolt for tilt adjustment and lock it with a washer and nut. Attach vibration isolation pads to reduce resonance. Make sure the column sits perfectly vertical before final fasten. You finish by securing the top plate and mounting the monitor. Align the center lines, then tighten screws in a star pattern to distribute load evenly. Once done, set the monitor on the stand and check tilt and level with a bubble or smartphone app. Small adjustments prevent pointing errors. If the assembly wobbles, tighten loose joints and add weight to the base or increase footprint. One key troubleshooting tip: if bass booms or resonance appear, swap softer isolation pads or add mass to damp vibrations. Problem solved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.